Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that how to buy and sell Dark Eclipse token. Firstly, you have to open this token on CoinMarketCap and click on market section. Now, here you can buy and sell this token on centralized and decentralized exchanges. So, if you want to buy this token on centralized exchanges, then click on CEX. Now here you can buy this token on Bitget, MEXC, KuCoin, BingX and other centralized exchanges. Now I will buy and sell this token on KuCoin exchange. Then click on this pair. And here firstly you need to sign up or log in your KuCoin account. Then here you can start buying and selling this token. And if you want to buy and sell this token on decentralized exchanges, then go to DEX section. Now here you can buy this token on PumpSwap, Metaura VD, Orca, Radium and other decentralized exchanges. Now I will buy and sell this token on PumpSwap and click on this pair. And here click on trade on PumpSwap. Now here firstly you need to connect your wallet from PumpSwap exchange, then click on connect wallet. Now here different wallet is showing like Trust Wallet, Soulflare Wallet. You can connect any wallet from PumpSwap. After connect wallet, then Solana you need to receive or buy Sol coin in your wallet. And here you will enter number of Sol coin that you want to exchange with Dark coin. Then click on. Then you will confirm the transaction. And if you want to sell Dark token, then you need to click on this arrow. And again, you have to connect your wallet from PumpSwap. After connect your wallet, then here you will enter Dark coin that you want to sell. And finally, you will confirm the transaction. Then you will receive Sol coin in the exchange of Dark coin in your wallet. You can follow same process in your mobile phone. So in this way you can buy and sell Dark Eclipse token. Thanks for watching.